All right, let's be real. Your car is probably looking a little right now. Dust on the dashboard, coffee stains on the seats, and let's not even talk about those streaks on the windows. But guess what? You can make your ride look like it just rolled off the lot with your own two hands. That's right, we're talking DIY car detailing, baby, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right. Whether you're prepping for a car show or just want people to stop judging you at red lights, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. By the way, this ain't your basic car wash tutorial. No. This is next level detailing. Like I just stepped out of a Fast and Furious scene type detailing. You ready? First off, let's talk about what detailing actually is. It's like giving your car a spa day. But instead of a massage, it's getting scrubbed, polished, and pampered until it's smoother than your last pickup line. No offense. A regular car wash? Sure, it gets the job done, like putting on deodorant. But detailing? That's the full shower, skincare routine, and fresh cologne. We're talking deep cleaning, removing dirt you didn't even know was there, and giving the paint a shine so bright, people will need sunglasses just to look at it. Now, before we start, you gotta have the right tools. Let me show you what you need. First up, microfiber cloths. These bad boys are softer than your favorite hoodie, and they don't scratch your paint like those old rags you've been using. Yeah, I know about those. Next, you're gonna want some good car shampoo. Not the stuff from your shower, no 2-in-1 body wash here. Get the legit stuff. pH-balanced car shampoo is your best friend. Keeps the paint shiny and the neighbors jealous. And of course, you'll need wax. Think of it as armor for your car. Makes it look good and keeps it protected. Plus, it smells kinda nice. All right, time to get to work. Let's start with the exterior. Step 1, wash. But not just any wash. You're gonna use the 2-bucket method. Trust me, it's a game changer. 1 bucket with clean water, 1 bucket with soapy water. Dunk your mitt in the soapy water. Scrub, then rinse in the clean water before going back for more soap. That way, you're not just rubbing dirt all over your car like a caveman. And pro tip, start from the top and work your way down. Gravity, baby. Let the dirty water flow down and not back up on your already clean spots. Oh, and please don't wash your car in direct sunlight unless you want water spots everywhere. Your car will look like it has chicken pox. Next up, clay bar. Nah, it's not a bar of soap, it's this thing that'll make your car's paint feel like glass. You know when you run your hand over your car and it feels kinda gritty? That's dirt and contamination stuck in the paint. The clay bar is like the bouncer at a club, just kicking out all the bad stuff. Your paint will be smoother than your Friday night moves. Now polish. You might think, do I really need to polish my car? Yes. Polishing gets rid of those tiny scratches and oxidation, making your paint look fresh. It's like exfoliating your skin, but for your car. Just go easy though. Don't turn your car into a disco ball with swirl marks. Use a polishing pad or an orbital buffer if you've got one, and don't forget the finesse. Now it's time to seal the deal with some wax. Waxing is like putting on that final touch before you head out the door. Not only does it protect your paint, but it gives it that insane shine. You'll apply it in small sections, rub it in, let it haze up, and then buff it out. Easy. You'll feel like Mr. Miyagi. Wax on, wax off. And when you're done, phew, that baby's gonna gleam. And hey, if you want to take it to the next level, you can look into ceramic coating. This is for all you overachievers who want protection for months, even years. It's like wax, but with superpowers. But let's stick with wax for today. All right, let's step inside. The interior needs love too. No one likes a clean outside and a disaster inside. It's like wearing a suit but having messy hair. Ain't nobody got time for that? Start by vacuuming. You'd be surprised how much stuff is hiding in your seats and carpets. Ever lose some fries down there? Yeah, me too. But we're not snack hunting today. We're making this ride spotless. For the dash, use a microfiber cloth and a non-greasy cleaner. You want a clean look, not one that blinds you when the sun hits it. And don't forget those air vents. They collect dust like it's their job. Come on, little guy. Time to say goodbye to all that dirt. Seats next. For cloth seats, you can use a fabric cleaner. For leather, make sure you use a proper conditioner. Leather needs hydration, just like us. No one likes dry, cracked seats. Take care of your leather like you take care of your skin. Now the carpets. Trust me, the carpet is like the memory foam of your car. It holds onto everything. Dirt, mud, spills. A good carpet cleaner and brush will lift those stains like they never happened. And if your car smells like a gym bag, this will help. Now that's fresh. And hey, if you're really feeling fancy, throw in a new air freshener. It's the cherry on top. Last but not least, don't forget about the wheels and tires. They're like the shoes of your car. and you wouldn't leave the house with dirty sneakers, right? Use a dedicated tire cleaner and brush to get in between the grooves. Then apply some tire shine to give them that glossy new tire look. Trust me, this step is what separates the amateurs from the pros. And there you have it. Look at this beauty. I mean, you could eat off this thing, but don't. It's too clean for that. Now your car's not just clean, it's glowing. And the best part, you did it all yourself. Go on, flex a little. You've earned it. If you love this detailing journey as much as I did, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your detailing wins in the comments. I want to see those before and afters. And stay tuned, because next up we're diving into car mods that'll make your ride look even better. Road trips, upgrades, it's all coming. Catch you in the next one. Keep shining.